Smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 are both challenges and opportunities, wherever you are in the manufacturing spectrum. As industry leaders, Aegis is your digital manufacturing partner, working for your success, navigating you towards the most affordable, practical, best practices quickly and efficiently. You are a conscientious manufacturer in a fiercely competitive world, looking to differentiate yourselves to win business, and you care about the quality of your products, your profitability, and the well-being of your team members. You are operating in a world where supply chains are being disrupted, and the lead times for new product introduction, with increasing degrees of personalization, are becoming shorter. Compliance and conformance are stringent, and you need to deliver products with assured on-time delivery, reliability with full traceability. You are seeing the rise of data-driven manufacturing, seizing opportunities, and wanting to make digitalization work. You cannot afford to be left behind, but need the assurance of an immediate return on investment. At Aegis, we understand these needs. Intuitive tools should be on hand to meet any challenge, to advance operations across any obstacle, putting you ahead of your competitors with responsiveness, capability, quality, and reliability. In your best practice-driven digital manufacturing world, you react to new business quickly and accurately, without human manipulation of data. You need flexibility to perform mass production, or a mix of products, or provide customers individually crafted pieces at high volume efficiencies via mass personalization. Your production operators receive specific interactive instructions through terminals as well as augmented reality, or configured in an instant. Quality reports are generated automatically. Root causes of defects that have not yet occurred are identified in real time. Lean material management eliminates excess inventory. Each piece of material accounted for with automated verification and full traceability. Planning ensures a smooth, faultless operation without starvation or bottlenecks. Materials inventory is reduced to a minimum. Aegis Factory Logics is IIoT-driven software for advanced digital manufacturing, the only single platform solution fully capable of adapting to your environment without the extensive customization typically required from MES. Individual data points related to execution, materials, quality, machines, and human operations are processed by intelligent algorithms to create actionable and automated improvement. Enterprise system tools, including ERP and BI, are enhanced with live connections, communicating such things as material usage, spoilage, stoppages, and completions. Cost-effective sustainability is assured thanks to Aegis's excellent relationships with automation providers and through leadership of industry standards. Our customers are dynamic manufacturing companies, responding positively to global challenges, navigating and adapting far faster than their peers, seamlessly and efficiently. They are recognized as high performers in their sector, attracting customers and partners. Let us take your company to the next level of capability, performance, and efficiency, meeting your smart factory requirements as they relate to your core business drivers. We are Aegis, your digital manufacturing partner.